Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P05CE pertains to an issue with the cold start variable timing control VTC B system in the 2023 Honda Accord. This trouble code indicates that there is a malfunction within the system responsible for adjusting the timing of the exhaust camshaft. The variable timing control system is integral for optimizing engine performance and emissions by adjusting the timing based on engine conditions. When a disparity is detected between the command signal to the exhaust camshaft and its actual position, the powertrain control module, PCM, registers this fault, causing the DTC to be stored. The malfunction is usually identified by checking for the phase difference between the command and actual position of the exhaust camshaft. An effective diagnosis helps in maintaining the vehicle's performance and compliance with emission standards. The DTC P05CE indicates a cold start VTC B system malfunction, which implicates the variable timing control VTC system, critical for the precise functioning of the exhaust camshaft. Key components involved in this system include the VTC oil control solenoid valve B, VTC actuator B, and various sensors like the engine oil pressure sensor. The PCM, or powertrain control module, serves as the brain of the vehicle's engine management system, continuously monitoring the status of these components. This code often indicates that the phase difference between the commanded position and the actual position of the exhaust camshaft is out of specification, leading to potential performance issues. The solenoid valves, particularly the VTC oil control solenoid valve B, serve to regulate oil flow, directly impacting the camshaft's timing mechanism. The exhaust camshaft is located in the engine, engaging with the rocker shafts, ensuring optimal valve operation. Several factors may lead to the occurrence of DTC P05CE, each related to the functioning of the VTC system. First, low engine oil pressure can significantly affect the ability of the VTC system to operate correctly, as oil pressure is crucial for the actuation of the VTC solenoids. If the oil pressure is inadequate, the phase control may lag, resulting in a fault. Secondly, a faulty VTC oil control solenoid valve B can also be the root cause. If this component is malfunctioning, it cannot deliver the correct amount of oil required for the system's operation, leading to improper camshaft positioning. Finally, clogged oil passages within the VTC system may restrict oil flow, inhibiting the system's ability to adjust the camshaft timing correctly. Therefore, addressing any of these issues is crucial in rectifying the trouble code. When DTC P05CE is triggered, the vehicle may exhibit several noticeable symptoms. One of the most common signs is poor engine performance, which could manifest as a lack of power during acceleration or general sluggishness. This can result from the improper timing of the exhaust camshaft, affecting the overall combustion process. Additionally, rough idling may occur as the engine struggles to maintain a steady speed, leading to vibrations that are typically not present during normal operation. Another significant symptom is the potential increase in exhaust emissions. When the VTC system is not functioning properly, it can lead to a rich fuel mixture, thus contributing to higher pollutant levels. Drivers may also notice warning indicators on the dashboard related to engine performance, prompting further diagnosis. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P05CE begins with allowing the engine to cool down to a temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius, or below. This cooling phase is essential for ensuring accurate readings and tests, especially regarding oil viscosity and pressure. Once the engine has reached the appropriate temperature, the technician can start the engine to begin monitoring its performance. During engine startup, it's crucial to observe the initial behavior and listen for any anomalies, such as irregular sounds or vibrations that could indicate underlying issues. Ensuring that the engine is at a regulated temperature helps to eliminate temperature-related malfunctions that could lead to false DTC readings. This step is fundamental for accurate subsequent diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step requires holding the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute (RPM) without any load, which can be accomplished by placing the vehicle in either the park or neutral position. This is a critical operation as it allows for the observation of how the engine and VTC system behave under a steady and elevated RPM condition. The technician must maintain this speed until the radiator fan activates. The activation of the radiator fan indicates that the engine has reached a temperature threshold where cooling is necessary, giving insight into the cooling system performance. If the fan does not engage appropriately, this could point towards additional cooling or operational issues that might need addressing. Observing these parameters while noting any irregularities will assist in determining the efficiency of the VTC operation. The next step in troubleshooting DTC P05CE involves test driving the vehicle at a steady speed between 25 to 75 miles per hour, 40 to 120 kilometers per hour. This steady speed test is crucial. It allows for monitoring how the vehicle behaves under normal driving conditions. The vehicle should be driven for a minimum of 10 seconds to ensure that consistent data can be captured. This driving procedure simulates conditions under which the engine's VTC system should ideally function. After completing the test drive, it's essential to monitor the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, for the reappearance of DTC P05CE. If the trouble code returns, it confirms that the malfunction persists, indicating that further inspections and repairs are necessary. Tracking these conditions helps to isolate the malfunction to either a temporary issue or an ongoing defect within the VTC system. After the necessary repairs and replacements have been conducted regarding DTC P05CE, it is essential to perform a final verification of the repairs. This begins with clearing the DTC from the PCM's memory using the HDS. Clearing the code resets the monitoring system and allows it to reevaluate the conditions of the engine components previously implicated. Following the clearance, it's important to start the engine and monitor its operation under various conditions to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. The technician should assess any noticeable changes in performance, such as improvements in idling or acceleration. By verifying that the code does not return under normal operational conditions, the technician can confirm that the repairs were effective. This thorough verification process is crucial for maintaining the reliability and safety of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is vital for ensuring the long-lasting performance of the VTC system and preventing issues like DTC P05CE from arising. One primary focus should be regular checks of the engine oil level, as proper lubrication is critical for the VTC system to function optimally. Engine oil acts as both a lubricant and a hydraulic fluid for the VTC components, so maintaining adequate oil levels is crucial. Additionally, routine inspections of the VTC system can identify potential problems before they escalate. These inspections may include checking for debris or clogs in the oil passages and ensuring the VTC solenoids are operating correctly. Engaging in this preventive maintenance not only prolongs the life of the VTC system, but also ensures consistent engine performance and efficiency. Drivers should keep an eye out for any warning lights indicating issues with oil pressure or the VTC system. In conclusion, understanding DTC P05CE and its implications is essential for maintaining the performance of the 2023 Honda Accord. The cold start VTC-B system malfunction compromises engine efficiency, potentially leading to poor performance and higher emissions. By comprehensively diagnosing the issue, identifying the root causes, and performing timely repairs, one can restore the vehicle's functionality and prevent further complications. Implementing preventive maintenance strategies is equally crucial. Regular checks on oil levels and VTC inspections help to mitigate risks well before any DTC arises. Furthermore, staying informed about the vehicle's diagnostic trouble codes allows drivers to respond proactively to issues, ensuring safety and reliability. Ultimately, this guide serves as a roadmap for addressing and resolving DTC P05CE effectively, safeguarding the vehicle's operational health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.